Namaste dear ones. The involuntary kriyas that are happening with you are very basic level, and there are so many people today doing research on internet as to how to do meditation on chakras, and there are so many people, so many gurus and so many yoga ashramas teaching how to do chakra meditation and what are the mantras you need to chant and all these things. And you know what? Unless until you surrender to the Guru, those teachings are just like mechanical operation of a car. As long as you do the mechanical operation of a car, you will never ever be able to go forward. You may experience some little peace, but except that you will not go forward towards really knowing the self. Knowing the self truly happens only by touching the soul of Guru. In my path, in the path of Omism, which is the involuntary path of teaching, happens through soul to soul. Meaning, if you touch my soul, see, the moment I said if you touch my soul, the light has burnt. It's like touching. That's how nature responds when I talk something. So if you touch my soul, then only the soul to soul teaching happens. Even when you are sleeping, even when you are walking, or even whatever you do, my teaching happens from my soul to your soul, for which you need to touch my soul. You need to touch my soul. Unless you touch my soul, the teaching will not happen here. Meaning, whatever the teaching I do through the mouth will only be mechanical. They are not real software programming of soul to soul, So, in this path, in my path, in the path of Omism, if you can touch my soul, then the teachings happen automatically and your soul will get to know, or your soul will automatically get programmed with my techniques. But in this path, the techniques will never be revealed through the mouth. And even if they are revealed, you will never be able to operate your car, just like how to put the gear, how to put the brake, accelerator, how to drive and all these things. How much ever are told through the mouth, you will never be able to operate on your own. Why I am saying this message today is, there are so many people, fake disciples. They come and they say they have surrendered to the Guru, and they keep on waiting for so many techniques from the Guru. They think that they can steal all the technology from the Guru, they can go run away and they can open their own ashrams and they can become heroes and all they think. They can become gurus and all they think. There are so many people like this. So such, fake people who mechanically go around me, who talk to me mechanically without touching my soul, they will never be able to learn anything here. They may be here for 1 year or 2 years. And then they will not learn anything and they will go through a lot of troubles. They will leave me and go. That means people who really do not have respect and love for Guru or surrendering to the Guru will never be able to learn anything from me. This is a straight message to all the disciples of mine. They should question themselves here, whether they are fake or whether they are they have truly surrendered to me. So it's an open message to all the disciples. There are many disciples across the globe. All of them, ask yourself here if you are able to touch my soul or not. I know how many of you have touched my soul, or how many of you are being taught soul to soul. I know how many of them, but I don't want to name them here. So you question yourself. So if you think that your question is a mechanical touch with me, please leave. Don't waste my time nor your time. And they have so many people, so many disciples have come to me. They have pretended their surrenderance. They think that they can achieve something through my, they think that they get a lot of techniques and all, like other yoga ashramas in the world. They think that they can learn all those techniques through my mouth, or they think that I can give them some books and then they can practice. It's not that kind of path. The path is very basic, fundamental rule. Have you surrendered to the Guru? Yes or no? No pretensions. If there is a mechanical touch, you will just go around me for years and years together, maybe for 1.5 years or 2 years, and you will leave me. That's good. You leave and go somewhere where you belong. Whoever touches my soul, in them great techniques that belong to Shiva Sutra, that belong to Shiv Gita, that belong to Bhagavad Gita, that belong to Patanjali, and techniques that belong to Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, the 120 techniques, all of them automatically they happen in you. 24 hours they run, even while working on the computer, even while walking, even while driving. Various techniques continuously happen without you doing them, without you operating them. So whoever touches my soul, in them that happens. And imagine you practicing 120 techniques that are told in Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. You think you can practice all the 120 techniques? Most of the gurus only practice 1 or 2 or 3 techniques. Don't ask me how I practiced. I don't have to talk about myself. You touch and see, you will experience. So, various techniques happen once you touch me, automatically, involuntarily. And if you don't touch me, there is a problem technically or fundamentally in knowing the self. That is, you are not true to the Guru. You understand? Without surrendering, the fruit can never come to you. You will only just go around me and then leave. But don't waste your time. So ask yourself here, if you have really touched my soul, if your soul has really touched my soul or not. If you are pretending, going around me expecting some benefits, some life related benefits, and if you are expecting some yoga related benefits, or if you think that you can become a big guru by learning all the techniques from me. Some people are even thinking that they can steal all the techniques from me and then they can go and practice, or probably they are even thinking to become a guru or set up some ashrams and all. Such people, they will never be able to learn anything, and even if they learn something, they will end up with wrong techniques. And if they open their ashramas and start teaching people, they will only trouble people, and many people will stone them. This is what is going to happen in the nature. So ask yourself, have you touched my soul? Yes or no? Have you touched? Don't pretend.